Our floor liners are designed to keep your vehicle's carpet floor perfectly clean. So over time, the floor liners themselves may get a little dirty. In this video, we'll show you how to restore your floor liners to their former glory. When it comes to cleaning floor liners, it all starts with our Tech Care Floor Liner and Floor Mat Cleaner. This cleans up various messes from your floor liner without compromising its quality or finish. And it's a biodegradable formula too, so it's eco-friendly. Today we're showing cleaning of FloorLiner HP, but this cleaner also works for your floor liner, floor mat, and cargo liner. Once you have your Tech Care cleaner, grab yourself a cleaning brush, like this medium bristle brush, and a hose, and you're ready to clean. First, remove the floor liner from the car. To show an extreme, we are using a FloorLiner HP that hasn't been cleaned in several months. Let's take a second to admire that clean carpet floor underneath. Find a good workspace and lay down the floor liner. Spray the liner with the hose. Then, spray the floor liner with the cleaner covering the dirty areas. Just aim the bottle and spray. Now, time to scrub. Grab your brush and begin scrubbing all around the floor liner. How much fun you'll have during this part is up to you. Once the dirty areas are thoroughly scrubbed, spray the liner with the hose. Then, simply let it air dry and you're done. Good as new. But before you reinstall, consider floor liner and floor mat protector. This gives your floor liner an anti-slip finish that helps resist stains and daily wear and tear. To apply, spray the protector onto a dry floor liner. Spread with a damp sponge and let dry. Now your floor liner is refreshed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching.